my name is Francesca, welcome to my channel. Here we are again this month, preparing my July monthly setup together. The theme chosen by my patrons is Greek holidays, and this is the kit with which we will prepare the new month. The main tone is obviously blue, which I contrasted with white and some soft, warm colors. This collection is available on my Patreon page, along with all the previous ones. The link to my community is in the description box, so if you're interested in seeing more, be sure to check it out. I was very happy to work on this theme because I really love Greece. The last 2 years I went on vacation there and I loved it. I love its beaches with the beautiful blue water, their cuisine and the wild places in the hinterland. I hope to return there soon and visit more of that magnificent land. After gluing the cover page that I painted with my iPad using watercolor brushes, I switched to the monthly view that I decided to set up as the last time, leaving the calendar on the bottom of the second page. To draw it, I used a dark blue Arteza pen, and then I started decorating the page. This month I am a bit later than usual with this video, because June has been full of good moments and I had less time than the other months. In the middle of June, my boyfriend and I managed to go for a week to Menorca in Spain. The sea was beautiful and the weather perfect, so we were able to enjoy the beach in the best possible way. In the next few days I will edit a little video vlog of this trip and I hope you will like it. Then, the following weekend, I went to Turin to meet 2 of my friends. We had been waiting to meet for almost a year and finally we made it. We spent some wonderful days laughing and eating Asian food, and I can't wait to see them again. Luckily, at the end of this new month, they will come here to Padua, and we could meet again and make new happy memories together. After preparing the calendar, I arranged the overview page where I note the Etsy sales and the growth on Instagram and YouTube, which I have to say is on standby at the moment, so if you like what I create and you don't follow me yet, I'm waiting for you on my Instagram account and here on YouTube. After adding some doodles to complete the page, I highlight the important events on the calendar. And finally, I write down the important dates for next month, which is also my birthday month. Point, I can prepare the first weekly spread of July. At first, my idea was to group the first days of this month into one page and leaving the second full of decorations, stickers and paper. But while I was tearing up the pattern sheet of my kit to make a base, I changed my mind and thought about creating a very simple layout, leaving these torn patterns on the sides. I really like the effect very much, even if the realization is very simple and fast. I really like this Maiolica inspiring pattern. It's not Greek but more Italian and Sicilian in particular, but the colors were perfect and I decided to include some of these elements in my kit because I really love the graphic. And this is my July monthly setup. If you enjoyed this video and you like the journal kit of this month, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also wait for you on my Instagram or in my Patreon community. Have a beautiful and happy July. See you soon!